Hello there. In this series, I'll be teaching you PHP with MySQL integration. We will first start how to learn how to connect PHP to MySQL to a MySQL database. Then we will start to get into more advanced topics like how to create a login system and how to create a user dashboard. So you'll be able to learn from the beginning of how to connect to a simple database to fetching data from a MySQL table to building a login system. So let's get started. The first thing I would like for you guys to do is to download XAMPP. So XAMPP is a local server. So PHP is a server-side language which needs a server to run on. So the best tool for this would be XAMPP to run your PHP code on. So on Google, just type in XAMPP, XAMPP, and the very first link, just click on the very first link here from sourceforge.net, and you can just click download here, and I'll leave the link for this in the description. So once this has fully completed, you can just give it a minute. Now that you are here, you can go to the setup of XAMPP. So click next. We should select, make sure all these are selected and click next. Make sure you have this, it's selected to an easy folder which you can find. So I'm just gonna keep it here, see XAMPP. For me, I already have XAMPP downloaded on my computer, but for video purposes, just click next for all of them and it should work. Now that you have XAMPP downloaded, go to your search box here and type in XAMPP and open up XAMPP. Here we have the program opened up, and so for just to start it up, make sure you start up Apache, which will be is basically the web server, and then make sure you start up and make sure you have this allowed. So make sure you allow access, and then make sure you have MySQL started up too. That's going to be our database service here we'll be using with PHP. And make sure you allow access for this one as well. So once you have both of them started up, you can start coding. Now that you are at your browser, type in localhost / you should see this dashboard here. It should give you a welcome to XAMPP for Windows, or if you are on Mac OS, it should give you for Mac OS. Now this should, if you get the screen, that means you have installed XAMPP successfully. If it hasn't worked for you and you're still facing problems, just post a comment below and I'll try to help you. Now what I want you guys to do next is to type in PHP MyAdmin, localhost / PHP MyAdmin. It's gonna take some time to load. So this here is where we can view our databases, and it's just PHP MyAdmin is a pretty cool tool to view your data and to manipulate your data. So you can create your databases here. You can view the various tables. You can create tables. So in the future videos, we'll be going more into depth into PHP MyAdmin, and we'll be playing around with PHP MyAdmin and PHP. So make sure you also have a code editor installed. For this video, I'll be using Visual Studio Code, and I'll set a link for that too in the description. I highly recommend using Visual Studio Code. I think it's a great code editor, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Thank you.